HAL is the only software company in the world dedicated to the project logistics industry. Our products are used by the leading project logistics providers and shippers across the globe. Supporting project logistics brings several unique challenges. Some of them are tracking material by the line item. Material must be split, consolidated, and overpacked. Material is unique and often high value. When you receive material, it must be verified and validated, and you must manage this material as it moves throughout multiple warehouses around the world. C2C from HAL is the industry-leading project logistics application. It has 4 main areas: warehouse management, freight forwarding, track and trace, and export packing. These areas are built on a foundation of PO line item visibility, flexible reporting, and several process control checkpoints that help our customers eliminate missed shipments while increasing customer service. Let's follow a package as it moves through C2C. We start with the purchase order for a 24-inch globe valve. At the top of the screen is the PO header information. In the middle of the screen is the PO detail. And at the bottom of the screen are the PO line items, which can be managed down to the sub-line item level if needed by the customer. After you physically receive the globe valve, you perform the material receipt or MR process. On this screen, you enter all the MR detail, including weights and dimensions, which are automatically converted from English to metric and vice versa. If we scroll down, we can see the globe valve and click Edit for more detail. We need to check if this package had any errors, so we click on the OS&D tab. There was an error, so we click for more detail. And we see that the package was damaged, but our account manager called the customer and was told that the surface rust was not an issue and to go ahead and complete the MR process. At this point, you can also auto-split the package, which will enable you to quickly create additional packages if your customer requires it. This completes the receiving process in C2C. The next step in the process is for the customer to request the globe valve to be packed and delivered. Using our shipper portal, customers can actually make that request over the internet, eliminating manual phone calls and emails and giving everybody an electronic audit trail. The customer simply selects which packages they want packed from a list of eligible material. Once the request is received, you go into C2C to review the shipment information, including the total volumetric weight of the globe valve as calculated by C2C. You then choose which options the customer has requested for this shipment, then confirm the specific packages that are going in this box. You can then save and print the release to pack report. Next, you create a new box for the globe valve to be packed into. You begin by filling out the weights and dimensions for the box. You enter in the tare weight, but not the net weight, as this will be calculated by C2C based on which packages you select. Then, you select from a list of eligible packages which ones are to go inside the box, Next, you view and validate the marks that will be put on the outside of the box. These marks are automatically assigned by the unique destination profile that correlates with the destination and customer. Finally, you confirm all necessary packing charges so the correct invoice will be generated. Once the boxes have been built and packed, the globe valve is ready to be delivered. First, you scan the box that contains the globe valve and add it to the delivery ticket. Then, the delivery ticket is ready to print and be signed by the driver. That completes the process flow in C2C for the 24-inch globe valve. Now, let's take a look at how your customers can track that globe valve using our shipper portal. First, They fill in the search criteria. In this case, they use purchase order number. Then they select from a number of display options depending on how much detail they need to see. For this purchase order, they select the first package and they will see all the detailed information about the globe valve, including the fact that it has been delivered. At HAL, we think our customer list says a lot about us. Our solutions are used across the globe by the premier providers of project logistics, both big and small. In fact, C2C is used at over 100 facilities across 6 continents. If you would like more information about C2C, please call us at 281-260-8181 or send an email to sales@halinc.com.